Hello everybody, today I am doing an unboxing of Israel's Rebellion. This is the new set of the Redemption CCG game. I'm very excited to see what's in here. I know there's one UR or UR Plus, so alright, let's get into it. No, I'm done with it. That's how we're doing it. Set this up here. Alright, let's go. Pack number 1. People are gonna go, just rip it. Rip it open. Tear it apart. Alright, so these will be, these are going to be the new set, and then until the root set comes out, you still get the I and J or classic cards, so we'll go through those first. Got Gathering Angel from I deck, got a Gabriel, Fishers of Men, Legion of Angels, and Authority of Peter. And then from Israel's Rebellion, yeah, the rare is Burning Fire. excuse me. Zalafa Had Sin. Oof, I butchered that name, huh? Abihu the Disobedient. The Wilderness class. Oop. Captain Potiphar. Alright. I love the artwork on all of these cards. Excuse me. What's it say? I'll go through the filler cards. Naomi, Boaz, Elders of the City, Sword of Gideon, and Gideon's Call. And then our Israel's Rebellion, we got Pharaoh's Throne Room, Pharaoh's Gifts, No Salvation, Grumbling at God. On to pack 3. I'm trying not to see what the UR is either, so I'll start from the filler pack again. You are the Christ, sorry. Miraculous Catch, Wonderment, Andrew, and John. And then we'll go to the Israel's Rebellion. Put the rare in the back. So Pharaoh's Cupbearer, Grain in a famine. I can't say the name, that's why I paused. There's that one, the burden bearer. Reuben, the preeminent. If I butcher it, my apologies. Alright. Go to pack number 4. Trumpets and torches. Shamgar's ox goad. Oof. Samson's strength. Shamgar and Gideon. Move on to Israel's rebellion. Put the rare or you are in the back. Abram the stubborn. Wild animals. Phinehas the useless. Oh, I butchered that one too, I think. And then Mount Sinai. That's a good one. I actually needed that one. Jephthah, Samson, family bond, when judges governed, sword of the Lord. My kid just got scolded from his mama for yelling. Oh, I looked at it. My bad. So the rare is Joseph's house. The Egyptian warden. Famine in Egypt. Gad the retaliator. Ooh. We got James, Peter, raising Lazarus, walking on water, and water to wine. So I haven't looked yet this time. I didn't forget this time. Zipporah. Increasing numbers. Sabbath breaker. And the dreaming Pharaoh. Still got quite a few packs to go. Please hit that subscribe button when you get a chance, if you don't mind. Alright. We got loaves and fishes. We got a lost soul, just a meek. Another meek lost soul. Alright. That was a Meek Lost Soul pack. I'll go to the Israel's Rebellion. Eli, Samuel's mentor. Cult offering. Or guilt offering. Guilt offering. Elded. And self-destruction. Excuse me, needed a drink. Alright. Moving on. I kind of peeked at that one a little bit. So we got the J. Singing Praise. Lost Soul. Lost Soul. Lost Soul and Lost Soul. Alright. We got Reserved for Famine. Inhabitants driven out. That's what I thought the word was, and I can guess myself. We got Sabbath Breaker. And the Courtyard. Lost Soul. Lost Soul. We have a Lost Soul with an ability. Ooh, a dominant. And another dominant. Very nice. Alrighty. What am I doing? There we go. We've got Madness. Simeon the Vengeful. Plague Congregation. Bearing Grudges is my rare. I still gotta go through and sleeve all of them after this because I'm a freak, I think. I don't know how many people do that, but I definitely sleeve all my cards. We have Lost Soul, Lost Soul, Lost Soul, Dominant, and Dominant, which these are always good to get. Tested by Joseph. Ahitub the High Priest. Oof. Bezalel the Builder. And Go Into Captivity. Oof, good ones. Good dominants are always good. Angel of the Lord. I needed some more of these. Son of God. Twice afflicted. Persistent pestering. And fiery darts. Go on to Israel's rebellion. Korah's rebellion. Feeney the profane. Potipharah, priest of On. Wandering Israelites. Oh, those good old Israelites. Got another angel of the Lord. Little Nick in the corner. Son of God. Scattered. Foreign spearmen. Foreign wives. Uh-oh. Think we hit the UR yet? I don't think so. Not yet. That sprinkled blood. Lost soul. If drawn, you may reserve a card from hand to take a wilderness human from deck. Alright. We got rebellious Israelites. Rain becomes dust. It's our rare. Alright. I say alright a lot. I've just noticed that. Tell me if it's been bothering you guys. We got evil strength. The color looks a little off on these, I think. But I'm unsure. I'll have to double check. Evil strength. Possessing demon. Unclean spirit. Controlling demon. And foul spirit. Alright. I did it again. Alright. Sin for Egyptians. I'm getting ready to tell myself alright already. Cupbearer's complaints. Better to be slaves. Wicked community. I'm biting my tongue, so I don't say it. Don't say it. Alright. We got... Oh, I did it. Lost Soul. Kindred Valley. Golden Cherubim. Temple Dedication. And King Abijam. I peeked again. Offering of the Wrongdoing. It's our rare. So I forgot to flip it. Descent against Moses. Unclean until evening. Curse their parents. Priest, Solomon's Temple, Sin in the Camp, To Each His Own, and Aiken Sin, and that's from the I deck. And that was previous starter decks. The new starter decks also just came out. You can find them on quite a few places. You can find the starter decks on Amazon. That's where I would first go. And then there's also Your Turn Games. There's Three Lions Gaming. If I mess one of these up, I apologize, because I'm still kind of new. Three Lions Gaming, there's another one I can't think. Covenant Games has some, and Cactus Game Design also has stuff. Alright, so we have Pharaoh's Baker, Slave to Egypt, Asher the Rich, Idol of Pure. So yes, the new starter decks are out, and they are K and L. Very, very nice. I've actually bought one. I did a video right before this one on those, but haven't put it up just yet. Hopefully you'll see that one and this one come to you soon. I didn't even read any of these. I apologize. So, Colosseum Lions, Crucify Him, The Sorrow of Mary, Roman Whip, and Mocking Soldiers. From the Israel's Rebellion, we got Feeney the Profane. I think that's our first double. Blood Avenger, Zilphad the Lone. I don't know. And Wild Animals are our second double. I don't know how to edit, so you're getting it live. You're getting it how I recorded it. Any mess ups, burps, anything like that, that's what you're getting. We got bad dealings. Shaphat, Aiken, Selfish Kinsman, and Nabal. Alright. We got Aholiab, the Engraver, Quail from Above, Sabbath Breaker, and the Gods of Egypt. That's a cool looking card. Oh, and it's a dominant. Very nice. You may discard the top X 1 at 5 cards of a deck, regardless of protect abilities. It helps out Egyptians. Pilot Soldiers. Yep, that one. Emperor Tiberius, Hypocrites, Proselyte, Kindness of Boaz. I'm actually surprised we haven't hit the UR yet. Curse their parents. Egyptian wise men. Patriarch imprisoned. And a rare lost soul. If rescued, restrict rescuer from drawing cards by abilities they control until the end of their next turn. Nice. Alright. The cardboard went underneath my nails, so now I'm just going to rip it. I hurt myself, now I'm angry at the cardboard. Here we go. Wickedness of Delilah. Spin a knob sword. A little bit of printing. Spin a knob spear. Lahami spear. And Delilah. Oh, Delilah. Forgiveness of Joseph. Burnt offering. The chosen warriors. And out of their hands. If your son of Jacob is rescuing, you may look at opponent's hand. Under deck, an evil card. Alright. Alright, I did it again. I'm aggravating myself. Devotion of Ruth. Ruth meets Boaz. Loyalty of Ruth. Gleaning fields. And Ruth. Pharaoh's gifts. Madness. 7 cows. Korah the rebellious. 4 packs left. We got Naomi, Boaz, elders of the city, the sword of Gideon, Gideon's call. Ahitub, the high priest, peace offering, Asher the rich, and storehouse. Sorry, 1 second. Ishbinabab, Ishbinanab, Saf, Lami, Asheroth worship, glad tidings. We have unclean animals, obedient to Joseph, 7 cows, and there's our UR, Israel's rebellion. You may take a curse from deck or reserve. You may discard your evil wilderness human in battle to shuffle all lost souls. Cool. Very cool. Look at that artwork. That's cool. Very, very cool. Put that right in the sleeve right away. And set that aside. Cool. Alright. Angelic guidance. Overwhelming presence. Eaten by worms. Angelic news. And Angel of Bethsaida. We'll still put the rares in the back. Flee from enemies. 7 cows. Dathan the follower. And 40 knights. Last pack. Can we get last pack magic? Can we get last pack magic? Get another UR that's not supposed to be in there? It's not gonna happen, guys, but it'd be cool. It'd be really cool if it did, man. Trumpets and torches. Shamgar's Ox Goad. Samson's Strength. Shamgar. Gideon. Last pack. Reserve for Famine. Eli Samuel's Mentor. Sephora. Omen Interpreter. There's our rare. Alright, everybody. That is it. I appreciate you for watching this video. If you like what I'm doing, send me a like and a comment and a share or a subscribe. That's the word I was looking for. That's the one. So hit the subscribe button, and I hope I see you again soon.